I hate when people call me. You call them back and they don't answer within a minute. She's gonna call me in the middle of filming. How much went bad? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have all been doing well. Obviously, we're doing something different today. This video has honestly been supposed to have been filmed a month. Oh my God. 4 weeks I have been waiting to film this video, and I'll tell you why. Obviously from the title of the video, we are tie-dyeing. Yes, I know that tie-dyeing is probably old news now. I bought the dye at Joann Fabrics when quarantine first, March? Like mid-March. I had the dye. Well, you know, things aren't open, so you have to order all the white clothing and whatever you want to dye online. Well, you know how shipping is. So one thing basically just led to another, and it took 4 weeks for all of my white clothing pieces to finally arrive. I finally got the last set last week. So folks, the moral of the story is that I don't even know if people are gonna watch this video because it's been, I don't know, is tie-dye still a thing? Are people still tie-dyeing things? Because I haven't even gotten the chance to. I don't know if you guys will be interested. This video might be a flop, but I'm gonna do it anyways, so why not film it for you guys? That being said, I wanna go over what we're going to need. Yes, I have a huge mirror here, and you can see my box light in there. So I'm trying to block it, but I'm not doing a good job. Besides the point. I'm gonna have everything that I got listed down below for you guys. So I got these off of Amazon. It's a pack of 6. It's the little, you know, squeezy bottles for the dye. You're gonna need rubber bands. I got this assortment size. I think I got these ones. Ooh. I think I got these ones from Target. It's assorted sizes, so I figured that'd be nice. Nice big tub of them. So I did end up going down a rabbit hole of tie-dye. I can't tell you how many tie-dye videos I've watched since I've purchased this stuff, which was, you know, it's beginning of quarantine. There's so much knowledge that I have. I'm kind of just taking, you know, inspo from a lot of videos, but I will link the top 2 or 3 videos that really kind of stuck with me, and I'm gonna give them credit down below. But I found that this is the best brand, or what people say is the best brand of dye, which is this Rit? I thought it was Ritz. What am I thinking of Ritz? I guess we'll break it down. I got wine. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of these or not, but I got them. I got taupe, because I'm really into the neutrals. I got pearl gray, because it's of another neutral color. I got tan, and I got rose quartz. And you're also gonna need your white clothing, which has been sold out pretty much everywhere since quarantine. These are from a mix of different places. You're gonna need a pitcher to mix the solution in with the water. Trash bags. This is from Tony Sevdalis, I think is how you say her name. This was brilliant, her idea, which I'll get into, of doing this on a garbage bag. That way you can just tie it up and let it sit overnight. So if you guys are still interested in tie-dye and see if this turns out, then just keep on watching. Yes, I switched into sweatpants because them jeans, I am not a jean girl, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna first start off with just the t-shirt. I have my water here. It says on the directions on the back of the dye to use hot water and a splash of dish soap. I think it says a teaspoon on here. Yes, this is dish soap. It just says squeaky clean. I don't know if you could see it there, but yes, this is dish soap. I just like this bottle as opposed to the big, you know. So I'm gonna first use the rose quartz, and it says to shake very, very well. And you also wanna make sure that you wash everything ahead of time. So once I gathered all of my white clothing items, I did run them through the washer machine. So make sure that you pre-wash your fabric. I forgot to mention, you do wanna have a white towel or white paper towels. I just have paper towels here, just to kind of color test. So I'm gonna start with that. My little splash. I'm gonna do just a little bit of my dish soap. Take this. Just do a little test. Okay. Well, can't really even see that, so I'm gonna do a little bit more dye. I think that'll be better. All right, after watching everybody's videos, I like the crinkle method the best. So they basically said you just take sections and just kind of crinkle. Yeah. My God, this is when big hands would definitely come in handy right now. I'm gonna do a couple of these. Thank God you do not need to be neat with this because this is something. I'm trying to do like 3 of them. Okay, so this is what we have, and you basically just go to town, right? So here we go. And I'm just gonna make sure I'm on my table, and I'm literally I feel like it's running off of this. Get some in there. And I'm not going to show you guys like every piece that I do. I mean, we kind of get the point. I will show you guys like the end result. So now what I want to do is undo this to see, make sure that I don't have too much white in there. So I'm just going to like crinkle this little section up. Yeah, see, that's a lot better. So I have my t-shirt, and I'm just going to, which this was a really good idea. I would not have thought about this. I did not watch a couple of them videos. Just do this, take a rubber band. I'm gonna let mine sit overnight. It said 24 hours is like the best. So I figure overnight, like tomorrow afternoon, I should be okay. The whole mess is in there, and then we can go ahead and get our next one going. Okay, contestant number 2. Now, mind you, these aren't like the same white because like I said, I did have to order from different companies. So I have these white sweatpants. I got a men's, what is this? I got a men's medium, and I did cut it to crop it. So for this set, I'm gonna go in with the tan. Tie up. Okay, I think the hardest part is like getting the bands on. Oh my God. I'm gonna need about 40 of these. Pants, sweatshirt, like I said, they are not the same white. You know what I'm noticing? I don't know if it's different fabric, and I actually think it did say that colors might look different on certain fabrics, because this is looking more green. I just want to make sure that I don't have too much white, which I can already tell on the sweatshirt that I do. Okay, so here's the sweatshirt, but as you can see over here on the back, I have a lot of white back here. So I'm just going to crinkle. Okay, so this one looks good. Pants are actually okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put my set again, just grabbing. Who knows if this set's gonna even match. That's why I wanted to get the same fabric from each place, but. So do not look at me right now because this makeup's been on for like over 12 hours because I filmed this morning and decided to do the tie-dye. I'm gonna go ahead and let these sit overnight, and then I'll wash them and let you guys kind of see what the final result's gonna be. I'm gonna wash all of these separately in the wash. That's what it says to do that way in case different colors on different sets or different clothing items bleed. Okay guys, so this is the first one. So this is the one that I used rose quartz on, and this is so cute. I'm not really like a pinky type of gal, but I really, really like this one. Like I said, I did use the crinkle method pretty much in all of them. I didn't do any other type of technique. I would actually probably tie this, which maybe I'll just show you guys. And I do have these paired with just a pair of high-waisted white joggers. You guys will see, I'll show you guys in the next one. These sweatpants, high-waisted joggers, are from Nasty Gal. I'll link them down below. They are not good material to tie-dye because you guys will see the ones that we tie-dyed earlier on, it did not even hold the dye. But this is just how I would pair this one. This is so cute. And let me show you, I'm gonna tie this and show you guys what that looks like. So this is probably how I would wear this. I love taking like bigger size, even though this is actually, I'll link the size down below of the shirt that I got. I can't remember if it's I think it's a medium. Typically I would size up probably to a large and then tie it, but it's still kind of cute. I just tied it and kind of tucked it under there, and I think it looks so cute with the white joggers. I'm trying to get like the best, most accurate lighting in here. So far, this is my favorite one. Of course, it is the first one that we tried on, but we did have a flop, which I might just go ahead and get that one over with, to be honest with you, because all right guys, so this is the sweatshirt that we did. I just have the sleeves rolled up a little bit, but I did crop it because I loved everything cropped. Here's the kicker. These are the sweatpants that we did. I'm not even joking. They're the same sweatpants. Let me show you. I think I mentioned that I did buy 2 pair of white sweatpants because I wanted just a plain white to keep and not tie-dye, which are these ones that I had on with the first outfit with the pink one. These are the ones that we tie-dyed. So these are from Nasty Gal. I'm gonna link them down below, but honestly, whatever fabric this is, and it is really weird, it's not even like a cotton. I did cut the tag out because I hate tags. Do not, I repeat, do not try to dye these because it literally just washed all the way out. I'm gonna try insert, you can kind of see it there. Can you see the spots of dye? So this is proof that these were the ones that we dyed. It just did not hold up at all. So in my eyes, I just have another pair of white sweatpants, and I'm actually thinking, since these are kind of high-waisted, to make them into shorts. I was gonna do that for the sake of this video, but I didn't. But the shirt though, love it. This is a nice neutral color, which is what I definitely wanted. This one is probably my favorite. This is the pearl gray that we use. So it's almost like a, it's like a bluish gray, and it's really, really pretty. I'm trying to get like as natural lighting as I can. I don't have any studio lights out. Pretty. I love how this one turned out. Again, I just did the crinkle method. That's the method that I did on all of them. So this was the t-shirt with the shorts. I will link where I got these down below for you guys. These are so nice. They're high-waisted. Of course, they were white. I like these ones because they honestly hit me like right, like perfect on the leg, because you know I got little stumps for legs, only 5'3", but this turned out so nice. I think this is, I keep saying they're all like my favorite, but this one honestly, just like around the house. The shirt, I do wish I got a size up. I think this is a medium, but it's just, I love it. And against the white, and this I did really good. I don't know how I did that. And you guys know I like to pretty much crop and tie all of my tops. That would look really cute too, considering that these biker shorts, that's what the word was, are high-waisted. They're so nice. But yeah, I love them. And a good thing is, white biker shorts, you know, they're kind of like see-through. Like these are even kind of like a little see-through. But now that we tie-dyed them, you can't really like tell. But this one, I'm really, really happy with how this one turned out. Okay, so I've been lying to you guys all along. This is my favorite. So this is that long sleeve. I just have the sleeves cuffed up here, but it is a long sleeve like sweatshirt dress that you can kind of see here. I just have biker shorts underneath, but you can't even see them because this is pretty long on me. I just have a jean jacket tied in just my Michael Kors little backpack, just my nude Adidas hat. This looks very similar to the sweatshirt, but in real life, this actually is a little bit more olive-y, like olive undertone than that first one. The cutoff sweatshirt is a little bit more tan. This turned out so, so nice. Let me kind of move. I know I have most of it covered up, but I wanted to show you guys kind of like how I would style it. I'll show you guys what it looks like without anything tied. It's just like a little bit big on me, so I like something to kind of like cinch in my waist and give me a little bit of shape. This is definitely just like a going out shopping type of outfit. Let me show you really quickly though what it looks like with nothing tied on. You'll see what I mean. I kind of just get lost in it. Okay guys, so this is what the sweatshirt looks like without anything tied on. Do you see what I mean? I just feel like I'm kind of like swimming in this. I took the sleeve down so you guys can see. It just kind of looks like big and sloppy and baggy, which is why when I have shirts like this that are just kind of oversized and I kind of get lost in them, usually you just tie something around your waist to accentuate it. I kind of just, you know, cuff the sleeves up a little bit and add accessories. It usually works out in the end, but this is, I just wanted to give you an idea of what this looks like. So guys, this wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up and let me know what your thoughts are down below, and definitely subscribe for more. I am so excited to wear these clothing items. However, it is getting warm out. I mean, I can still wear the sweatpants because they're kind of like thin. Sweatshirt I'll still wear too. I mean, I get cold in air conditioning, right? I'm so glad I finally got to film it for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video.